Forex and crypto trading consist of knowing your demand and supply level, trend bias, and finally, it consists of knowing your candlesticks to the core. To be honest, I haven't seen a profitable trader who know nothing about candlesticks and how they work. To be profitable, you seriously have to know everything about these sticks so you can use it at your own advantage to increase your win rate. In this video, we will be discussing about candlesticks and talking about the important type of candlesticks we have in trading. So I'd like to advise you to sit back, relax and watch the video to the end if you're interested in knowing the essential candlesticks combination. The first candlesticks will be the bullish and bearish candle. As y'all know, these two candles are the most essential candles. These are the first candles you need to know when trading as an extreme beginner. At default, the bullish candle is green in color while the bearish candle is red. Although, you can change the bullish and bearish candle to whatever color you want, like black and gray, blue and yellow, pink and orange, purple and brown. You can change it to any color that excites you. There are two components of these candles, which are 1. The wick, also known as shadow. 2. The body. The wick represent the length which the price has touched from the opening of the candle to the closing of that candle in a particular time frame, while the body is the range and price size which the candle reached and maintained over a particular time frame. The bullish candle opens from the bottom and closes at the top, while the bearish candle opens at the top and closes at the bottom. The bullish candle means the buyers are in control, while the bearish candle means the sellers are in control. 2. The second essential candlestick will be the engulfing candle. Sometimes you might come across candles like this, or this. These candles are called engulfing candles. For extreme beginners, you might be asking, what is an engulfing candle? According to Google, engulfing are used to indicate a market reversal. The second candlestick will be much larger than the first, so that it completely covers or engulfs the length of the previous bar. With all that, when you see a small-bodied bearish candle before a big-bodied bullish candle, which is 3 times bigger than the bearish candle, you can say that the bullish candle engulfs the bearish candle. In Forex and crypto trading, we call this bullish engulfing and vice versa for the bearish engulfing candle. An engulfing candle can also mean trend change. That is to say that when you see an engulfing bullish candle after some bearish candle, you'd know that the trend has changed and buyers are now in the market. So, you will be looking for a buying opportunity after that. The same thing goes to engulfing bearish candle trend change, which is to say you have to look for selling opportunities after the candle appears. Please note that engulfing candles are everywhere in the market, which means that it should only be taken into consideration when it occurred at a particular zone, like a supply and demand zone. 3. Doji candle. As you can see from this illustration, doji candle don't have a direction. Doji has equal opposite wicks in a tiny body which can be either bullish or bearish body. In Forex, this candle is called indecision candlestick. This is because when traders see candlesticks like this, they wait for the next candlesticks to show the direction of the currency. 4. PINBAR candlestick. PINBAR candlestick or reversals pattern. PINBARs shows rejection in the market at a particular time frame. Just like doji candle, PINBAR's candles has long wicks and small body, but unlike doji candlestick, it shows actual direction. The bullish PINBAR has a long wick to the downside with a small body to the top. The bearish PINBAR have a long wick to the upside with a small body at the bottom. Bullish PINBAR signifies buy pressure and bearish PINBAR signifies sell pressure. So when you see a PINBAR candle on your chart, you'd know what it means and how to take action. Please note that not every PINBAR should be taken seriously. The only PINBARs that should be put into consideration is the PINBAR found in some important zones. 5. Morningstar. Unlike doji, PINBAR and engulfing candlesticks, Morningstar candlestick contain 3 candles, which are a big bearish candle, a doji candle, and a big bullish candle. Morningstar candle adds bullish reversal pattern just like bullish PINBAR. In fact, a PINBAR in a 4-hour time frame is a Morningstar candle pattern in an hourly time frame. The two works the same way. According to Google, it is a sign of a reversal in a previous price trend. 6. Evening star. The evening star candle pattern is an opposite of morning star. It contains 3 candles, which are a big bullish candle, a doji candlestick, and a big bearish candle. It is the same with the bearish pin bar. That is to say, a bearish pin bar on a 4 hours time frame is an evening star on a 1 hour time frame. Morning and evening stars should be taken into consideration when seen at an important zone. 7. Bullish and bearish inside bar. In Japanese, the inside bar candle is called harami pattern. It contains a mother candle and a baby opposite candle. For bullish inside bar, it contains a bearish mother candle and a baby bullish candle, while for bearish inside bar, it contains a bullish mother candle and a baby bearish candle. Unlike pin bars and morning stars, inside bar candle pattern are not a reversal pattern but a continuation pattern. A continuation pattern formation is an opposite formation of a reversal pattern. It is a signal that the prevailing trend is likely continue after a temporary pause is finished and the breakout is confirmed. For an extreme beginner, I think these 7 candlesticks patterns are the most essential candlestick formations you need to know. This will be the end of the video. If you want to know more about Forex, crypto, stock trading as a whole, you can consider subscribing to this channel because I teach and lecture my audience everything they need to become a profitable trader in this game. Before you go, if this video was helpful to you, you can consider leaving a like, comment, and share. Thanks.